Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to use GPT-4 for free on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Since Microsoft's Bing integrated ChatGPT API into its search engine and browser, it has become the closest alternative to getting GPT-4 on your device without having to pay for ChatGPT Plus. Now open the App Store, search for Bing and install the app. If you're on Android, make sure you install it from the Google Play Store. After installation, launch the app and click Ask Me Anything. Chat now from the pop-up notification below the dashboard. Next, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. If you already have an existing account, enter your email and password to log in. Otherwise, click Create One to register for a new account on the sign-up form. Create a strong password for your account. Click Next and be sure to type in your first and last names accordingly. After that, set your country of origin and enter your date of birth. Finally, take the visual test to confirm that you are not a robot and complete the registration process. Once you've created or signed into your account, you're ready to start chatting with Bing AI. To get started, just tap the search bar above and click Let's Chat. When the chat interface loads, start typing your questions or requests to receive AI-generated responses. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.